Understanding seasonal wreath. Enhance your English vocabulary. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, seasonal wreath. This phrase might be new to some of you, but it's a delightful part of English culture and vocabulary. Stay with us to learn more about what it means and how it's used. A seasonal wreath is a decorative arrangement that people hang on their doors or walls. It's made of flowers, leaves, fruits, twigs, and sometimes includes various ornaments. The key word here is seasonal. This means that the wreath's composition and theme change according to the current season or holiday. For example, a wreath in winter might have pine cones and holly, while a summer wreath might be adorned with fresh flowers and green leaves. In many English-speaking countries, seasonal wreaths hold a significant cultural value. They are not just decorations, they represent the spirit of the season. For instance, Christmas wreaths are very popular and symbolize festivity and joy. Similarly, autumn wreaths with their warm colors represent the harvest season and Thanksgiving. By understanding these cultural nuances, you can better appreciate English literature, movies, and conversations that mention seasonal wreaths. Now, let's see how to use this phrase in sentences. 1. I hung a beautiful seasonal wreath on my door to celebrate spring. 2. The craft store sells materials to make your own seasonal wreath. 3. Each year, our family tradition includes making a seasonal wreath together. These examples show how versatile and common this phrase is in everyday English. As a fun activity, why not try making your own seasonal wreath? It's a great way to practice your English vocabulary related to seasons, nature, and colors. Plus, it's a creative way to bring a piece of English culture into your home. We hope this video has shed some light on the charming phrase, seasonal wreath. Remember, learning a language is not just about words, but also understanding the culture and traditions behind them. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.